Hello folks, I want to quickly show you one Colab feature which can save you tons of time finding the best visuals for your data. For this tutorial, I will use historic Tesla stock data that I have imported already to Colab. You can see it here on the left side. After you have set up your variable, similar to one here, you'll see the pop-up coming up below with your data results. And then if you go and click on this icon on the right side, that shows like analytics icon, then you see all these visualizations popping up below. This is the feature essentially I want to show you here. It might take a while to load fully. It depends on the amount of data you're feeding it, but be patient. And there's the pop-up with the code of the chart that you selected that will come out. And then you can add it to the notebook that you're using here. And this allows you to customize any of the chart attributes as you like, such as the title of the chart, the colors of the scale. That's it. I hope you found this video useful. Wish you happy coding. Thank you.